Welcome back. Well, welcome to Poul's Kitchen. It's Chef Poul with me today, Chef Amy.
Hi.
And today we're going to make some jambalaya. Now, Jess, I know you're asking us to make gumbo, but it's just a little too greasy for me, and no offense, I don't think I'd like it, and I just can't see myself really wanting to eat it. So we're not making it. What we are going to make is jambalaya, because I found some good ideas on how to make this even better than what I have seen it being made. So I got a pack of ground pork. So I'm just going to shove this right in here. If it's going to cooperate. It's pretty sticky. Oh, and that's because I didn't get from the top. All right, season. Then I've got one Poul sausage. I know that the recipe usually calls for something a little different, but that's fine. We couldn't find it. And then I got a pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. And I'm telling you, chicken thighs are so much better than anything else you're going to have because they've got some good fat to it. They got some good meat to it. I'm just going to take a second and just give this a little stir. Now, here's for some ingredients. 1 white onion. This is going right in the slow cooker because, guys, it is so much better when you put it in the slow cooker. You can just let this sit for the day. Go to work, go do whatever you want, and it's going to be waiting for you. 4 stalks of celery. And I think I got about 8 okras. Have you ever had okra, Amy?
I don't know.
Me neither. Never had it, so... I've got 3 jalapenos, seeds in, because Amy likes the spice. But I figure that there's enough volume that it shouldn't be too bad. Then I've got 3 sweet peppers.
I hope we'll be able to fit everything in there.
Yeah, me too. It's starting to get here. It's starting to get that bad now. And then I've got some Worcestershire sauce. And I know Stella's going to kill me for that. A couple of splashes of that. And then I'm going to add in some ground black pepper. Why? Because I can. I was asked how we get our ingredients. Some of them aren't, none of them are family because honestly, the family recipes that we do use is mostly turkey and stuff that Amy cooks. My family doesn't cook at all. So I learned everything from other people teaching me. Sometimes we'll look at videos, we'll look at their ideas, and we'll try to figure out how to make them better. I do a lot of that.
Yeah.
I don't copy everybody's, but I do.
Cajun spice?
We're going to add a crap ton of Cajun spice because, well, you kind of need it. And then we're going to add some chipotle chili pepper. Now, Alejandro, I'm going to put you in the bedroom for the day if you don't knock it off. He's been rather zoomy all day. It's usually not this bad.
We should put them in there now.
Next time. I want this to have some zing. I know Amy does too. And it is a Cajun recipe, so it has to have some zing. All right, now I'm going to put a whole thing of
chicken broth.
Chicken broth. Thank you. We're going to cook this for 8 hours on low and slow. Now, here's the fun part. About 7 hours in, then I'm going to put the rice in. 2 cups of rice. And I just put can over right here. And I got some tomato sauce.
Garlic.
Garlic because I like garlic. Do you like garlic? What do you think?
Yes.
I like garlic.
I think we'll just be able to fit everything in.
I'm thinking we will. Take a moment and just try to stir as much as you can. And I'm looking at gumbo. It just didn't appeal to me, but then again, I've never had it before. We're in Atlantic Canada. Cajun food just doesn't really exist up here. I'm sure up in Halifax we might have a restaurant somewhere that does, but not that I know of anyways. I could be wrong. And this is a can of crushed tomatoes, so you don't have to worry about anything needing to be pureed later. It's just like pure tomato sauce. So we've never really had the opportunity to really try any legit Cajun food. So I could be totally wrong, and it could actually be really, really good. Just what I've seen on TV just wasn't really that appealing to me.
And it's really spicy, isn't it, normally?
I think so. It looks like it's pretty spicy. I don't know if I'd say it's like Indian spicy. I'm only going to put 1 can of tomatoes in, I think.
Yeah, we don't need to.
We don't need to, yeah. So I'm going to leave this, stir
For
this
8
up just a little
hours.
bit, and we're going to start cooking it for 8 hours. And in 7 hours time, we're going to put 2 cups of rice in. So I'm going to put the cover on and find the powder plug. And then put it on low, and here we go. So how does that look so far, guys?
It's going to be really good.
I think it's going to be amazing. I'm looking forward to this. Let's make cooking great again, guys. Please hit that like, share, subscribe, and we'll be back. Welcome back, and we got Alex now.
Hello.
Amy's getting ready for work, so she's not going to be out here at the moment. So it looks pretty full, so this is going to be a little fun, and maybe this is going to turn into a disaster.
I don't think so. I think it's going to be really good.
Yeah, but it's a matter of getting this into there without spilling. It's going to be fun. I got 2 cups of long grain rice. I'm going to pour this in here.
And does it matter what kind of rice you use?
Not really. And now you normally would first off choose
Sticky rice?
sticky rice, but
I almost said white rice, but then I remember you really like sticky rice.
I do. And you know what? This is going to be a problem. But I really need the rice in there, so I'm going to grab a spoon.
Yeah, it's starting to overflow a bit,
It is.
but it does look really good.
So the easiest way to stop from an overflowing issue,
Scoops them out.
without trying to avoid getting vegetables, but the idea is this cooks that the rice absorbs a lot of the liquid. But if you take some of the liquid out, I'm not going to dump this in the sink.
That can probably be added back to it later.
Yeah, if need be.
Yeah.
Everybody's slow cooker is going to be a little different, so someone's slow cooker might be a little bigger. If it's smaller, then, you know, try to reduce what you're putting in. I don't want to take all the liquid out, but I do want to mix the rice in, because it's going to cook for another hour and make the rice bigger. And I think that should be enough.
Yeah, the rice is going to expand in the slow cooker.
Yeah. The rice will cook in this for the last hour of this. think this is going to be really, really good, I think.
Oh, I know it's gonna be really good.
And the benefit of doing this in a slow cooker rather than actually cooking it the traditional way, you don't need the grease, and this is going to be the gravy. Yes, it is cheating a bit, but honestly, at the end of the day, I think it's going to work out better. It'll be healthier.
Yeah.
Because you don't need all that grease. If you're dealing with cholesterol, diabetes, and other health-related issues with your heart and cardio, the grease isn't good for you. And like, I understand these are some people's traditional cultural dishes, and I can respect that. But there has to be a way to relearn how to make things differently so that they're healthier, so that you're not going to develop health issues because you're eating something that you shouldn't. And this very much would fall under the categories probably shouldn't.
Yeah, you don't want your cooking to end you up in the hospital.
Yeah, so it's better to try to do things a little differently, and this definitely will do that. This is going to taste great. It's going to taste amazing. I might deliver some to Amy because Chef Amy really likes to eat.
Yes.
You can't tell. But seriously though, this is going to taste really good. I can take a little spoon there and just taste the broth mix. I think this is going to turn out perfectly. If you need to, empty some of the liquid. If you don't, then don't worry about it. The rice should absorb it, and it should come a little bit more, I don't want to say solid, but it shouldn't be quite as liquidy.
It'll be thicker.
It should be thicker. Good choice.
Yeah.
Okay, but we'll be back in 1 hour's time. What time is it? 1:42. So at 2:42 we'll come out and we'll see what's this like. We might need to go a little longer. Might not need as long, but we'll see. We'll be back. So it's been quite a while. So what I've done here is I've turned the heat up, and we're gonna go for 1 more hour here. So it's 1 hour left. I know that it was almost an hour ago I put the rice in, but to help the rice cook better and to hope it actually gets rid of enough of the liquid, I'm gonna wait another hour, but I'm gonna put the slow cooker on high. So I went low and slow for 11 hours. Then 2 cups of rice, and turn the heat up to high. So we're gonna be back. It's almost done now. We just need to wait for the rice to cook. And for the liquid to reduce a bit. It shouldn't be that much longer now, and it's almost ready. Alex, I mean, does it not smell good?
Yeah, I'm really excited to try it.
Yeah, I am too. It's gonna smell amazing. It's gonna taste amazing. This is gonna be a good meal. I can just feel this one right now. So we'll be back. Please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Welcome to Poul's Kitchen. We're back. This is Chef Alex.
Hello?
This is Chef Poul, and we're done. So I'm gonna set this on to warm for now, and we're gonna give Alex a taste test here, see what he thinks, so he can bring this home with him, because Chef Paul has been a little ill and needs some good sleep. I'm actually feeling fine, but I'm just getting over something, so it is what it is.
I'm probably gonna have a nap myself, but I was up early this morning.
He was, which is super rare. So how does this look?
Oh, that looks really good. And for those watching, this is
Jambalaya.
yep, jambalaya, and it's a Cajun dish.
This is a Cajun dish, and this is really good. Let's make cooking great again, guys, and let's start making our own food. Let's enjoy making our own food, because honestly, I think this is a lot better than buying takeout. It really is. This is wonderful. This is great. This is amazing. So I'm really happy. I think Alex is going to be really happy. How's that look?
I think that looks really good.
It does. So I'm going to bring one to Amy, and I'm hoping she likes this. So until next time, please hit that like, share, subscribe button. Hit us up on our website, www.poulskitchen.com. All our latest recipes, our cookbook, our cookbooks, and lots of other things on there too. So thanks for tuning in, guys. We really appreciate it. Until next time, have a great day.
Have a good day.